Hey, what's up guys? I have a problem, and a lot of guys my age have that problem too. I'm over 35, I'm 36, and I've had some thinning hair for a while now. Thankfully, the guys at iRestore sent out this beautiful device to help me mitigate my hair loss, and throughout the next year, I'll be updating you through, but let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, what was in the box? Of course, I have the Pro device. Not only do I have the Pro device, but I have the battery pack as well. This is really important, especially if you don't want to be toggled to an outlet. This little device is just going to be able to help you if you need to do some laundry, stuff like that. Help you be able to do it instead of having to have this thing actually plugged in. You can go ahead and go about your day. Also with it, I got the professional kit. Came with anti-hair loss serum right here that you do apply. It also comes with some anti-hair loss shampoo that I really have to get into. Came in with some 3-in-1 hair growth formula as well. So I'm gonna be utilizing all of these things to help me try to regrow my hair as I've been losing my hair. I've told my wife already, if it gets too bad, I'm chopping it all off. I'm trying to avoid that. I used to have relatively decent hair, as you can tell by these old photos back into high school and early into college. So hopefully, I don't think I'm gonna get back to that, but I'm really looking forward to be able to actually go swimming and not be a little embarrassed when I'm coming out of the water and having to be like, all right, just dry that up real quick. Hopefully that doesn't happen. So how are they saying this helps with restoring hair? They say the low light laser therapy is like watering plants. This light energy apparently acts as nutrients to help your hair follicles grow through those nutrients. It can also be added into any other things like hair transplants and stuff like that. And of course, I also got the professional kit with the hair loss serum and the shampoo and the pills. So hopefully through all that, I'll be able to see a huge improvement. So this guy has 282 lasers and LEDs, one of the most powerful on the market with 1,410 milliwatts in power outage. It's got a little extension in the back, so a lot of hats on the market aren't going to be able to get the whole entire head, where this device has an extended side and back coverage for more scalp coverage. It is FDA cleared and clinically proven, as they say, non-invasive, drug-free. That's really what I was looking for, is the drug-free. And it does have a 12-month money-back guarantee as well, which is huge. It is designed for men and women, and it has medical-grade foam pads. And actually, these foam pads do come out, so if you do need to like wash them or anything like that, you're able to do that. Like I said, this battery pack is really helpful. I can just go ahead and start my session right now, right in front of you. As you can tell, it's working. I can put this onto my side and I can go about my day normally. So if you are gonna buy this device, I would definitely recommend the battery pack. The battery pack typically gets anywhere from 6 to 8 of these charges, so that shouldn't be a problem, even if you go traveling or anything like that. But of course, you can always keep your wall brick as well. If you are looking at the Essential device and not the Pro device, it has 51 lasers and LEDs and not the 282. This is a pretty comfortable device. I don't get too hot in the head. Maybe towards the end of the 25-minute session, it might feel a little hot, but it is ventilated pretty easily and it is pretty durable as well. I haven't had any issues, and funny enough, my 2-year-old daughter sees it around every so often and tells me, "Daddy, hat on." She wants me to put the hat on, so I kind of have to hide it from her so I don't always have to wear it around her. They say it is designed for comfort, and even though it might look a little cumbersome and it doesn't like stay on your head, which I think is a big plus, so it's not squeezing, you kind of forget it's there. Of course, if you are in tighter spaces, it might be a little bit different, but even if you want to just go ahead and watch TV, it's not really an issue at all. Right now, I'm showing you a couple of my before pictures as far as how my hair is currently, and hopefully I'm going to be doing a video 3 months from now, 6 months from now, 8 months from now, and then another video a year from now, hopefully showing you guys big improvements from that time. They say you should be using this device just every other day, and my biggest issue with that is I kind of forget. It's Monday, Wednesday. I try to go with like the calendar. It's like, oh, this month I'm going with every odd day, so the first, the third, so on and so forth. So try to really remember that. That's probably one of my biggest issues, as I do forget since it is every other day. So how long should I be looking to before I see results? They say anywhere from 3 to 6 months, as I will be able to see some visual differences, and hopefully my update, I'll be able to show you those visual differences. There are even some payment plans online if it is a little bit expensive. Again, it isn't the cheapest thing in the world. There was a Black Friday deal that was relatively good, but now you're talking talking with the kit that I got is $1,270, but you can get some financing, 0% and all of that. And of course the battery's also an extra $70. I'd probably recommend the battery over the supplements just because of how convenient the battery makes the device. Well, hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, please smash that like button. If it was really helpful and you want to see those updates, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you're one of the first ones to know when my newest video comes out. I'm excited to see how my hair growth journey is going to be. So definitely I hope you guys are going to join in with me. And I will be posting some links down below if you were a little curious. But other than that, stay happy, stay healthy, and above all, stay positive. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.